Have you ever noticed how even the tiniest headache can feel like the whole world is crashing down? One minute you're fine, and the next, it feels like your brain has its own drumline pounding away. But here's the twist: headaches aren't actually pain inside your brain. Yep, your brain has zero pain receptors. Isn't that surprising? I remember back in college exam weeks, sitting in the library for hours, my head pounding, feeling like my brain might explode. But in reality, my brain couldn't feel a thing. So, why does your head hurt so much? Here's the science. A headache is really pain signals coming from the blood vessels, muscles, and nerves around your skull. When those areas get irritated by stress, dehydration, skipped meals, or too much screen time, they send alarm signals to your brain. And your brain acts like the control tower, translating those signals into pain. But not all headaches are the same. Tension headaches, the most common type, feel like a tight band wrapping around your head. Migraines? That's a whole different beast, bringing nausea, light sensitivity, and hours of misery. Scientists still don't fully understand migraines, but research suggests they may be linked to changes in brain chemicals like serotonin. So it's not just in your head, it's deep in how your brain functions. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Coffee, the thing many of us grab to fight headaches, can both cure and cause them. A little caffeine can shrink blood vessels and ease pain. But too much, or quitting it suddenly? Boom. Welcome to Headache City. And what about ice cream headaches? That sudden brain freeze happens because nerves in the roof of your mouth react to rapid changes in blood flow. Your brain gets tricked into thinking your whole head is under attack. So, why does this matter to you? Because knowing what triggers headaches can help you stop them before they start. Simple fixes, like drinking enough water, managing stress, and taking breaks from screens, make a big difference. And if headaches are frequent or severe, don't ignore them. Sometimes they can point to deeper health issues, so it's always smart to check with a doctor. Headaches may feel like a mystery, but really, they're just your body's way of sounding an alarm. The real question is, are you paying attention? If you'd like me to dive deeper into migraines, cluster headaches, and even bust some weird myths, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, because your brain deserves answers without the pain.